Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of chapter wise revision. So today we are going to study the chapter 10, that is quadratic equation. So first, in quadratic equation we should know the standard form of quadratic equation, and we know that standard form of quadratic equation is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, and then the next is discriminant. So discriminant is nothing but d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So this is about the discriminant. And we know that there are nature of roots. So three condition we have: roots are real and equal if discriminant d equal to 0. If d equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If d greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. If d less than 0, roots are imaginary or no real roots. These three conditions we should remember it well. So first thing, standard form of quadratic equation. Next, nature of root. Nature of root means here discriminant d or delta. D equal to 0, roots are real and equal. D greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. D less than 0, roots are imaginary or no real roots. So the next very important concept in this is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is also called Sridharacharya's formula. So but mostly formula only, quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us see the multiple choice questions from this topic. So the first question, discriminant of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is. For this equation, discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So the first one is b square minus 4ac. So second one, direct question it is, the standard form of quadratic equation is. Just now I have told you what is the standard form of quadratic equation. So the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Option B is a correct option, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now the next question is, the value of x in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are, which correct option is x is equals to minus b plus or minus b square root of it should come. So the correct option is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the third one, multiple choice question. Now let us see the next fourth one. In a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if b square is equals to 4ac. If b square is equal to 4ac, then the nature of root is, just now I have told you, d equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this becomes b square minus 4ac. If we take this side, 4ac. So which nature? D greater than equal to 0 means real and equal. Nature of root is real and equal. B square equal to 4ac, real and equal. If b square greater than 4ac, it would be real and distinct. If there was the question b square less than 4ac, then imaginary roots. Okay, let us see the next question. Sum of the square of two consecutive natural number is 25. This statement can be written in the standard form of quadratic equation as, out of which equation it will be? Sum of square of two consecutive integer. So let me solve this. Sum of square of two consecutive integer. We know that this is just a multiple choice question, so directly I'll do, let the two consecutive integer be x and x plus 1. But what they have told, sum of square of x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equals to 25. So we'll write x square as it is plus a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to 25. So x square plus x square 2x square, okay, plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 25. 2x square plus 2x is equals to 25 plus 1 will make minus 1. 2x square plus 2x minus 24 now or equal to 24. Let us see which quadratic equation. We can see 2, 2, 2. Divide by 2. The whole equation divide by 2. Then what it becomes? X square plus x minus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 equal to 0. So correct answer is, here you can see x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. X square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. So the next question here we'll see, which of the following is a quadratic equation? Which of the following is a quadratic equation? So here first one is x plus 1 whole square is equals to x minus 3 whole square. Let us check first one. X plus 1 whole square is equals to x minus 3 whole square. First option it is given like that. They have told us to check which of the following is quadratic equation. Let us see now. We know a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this side. Now this side, a square minus 2ab plus b square. X square get cancelled. 2x plus 1 is equals to 3, 2 3 is 6 minus 6x plus 9. Here we can see there is no square. We know that quadratic equation means highest power should be square. So it cannot be a quadratic equation. So first option cannot be a quadratic equation. Let us see second option. A plus x plus 2 cube. But we know that when cube is there, it cannot be quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means square. So first one it was having both squares. So we solved and we came to know it's not quadratic equation. Second one directly we can say it is not quadratic equation because it is cube is there. Let us check third one. C, option C we'll check now. It is given x plus 1 whole square is equals to x minus 3. Okay. X plus 1, let me solve. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to x minus 3 as it is. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus x plus 3 equal to 0. X square 2x minus x plus x 3 plus 1 4. This is the quadratic equation. X square plus x plus 4. It is a quadratic equation. So the correct option is third one, x plus 1 whole square is equals to x minus 3. Okay. So we solve this as a third one. Now let us take, this completes the multiple choice from department booklet. Now let me see the previous paper's multiple choice question. Here seventh one. If 4x is equals to 81 by x, if 4x is equals to 81 by x, then the value of x is, here it is given minus 4.5, B option plus or minus 4.5, option C 4.5, option D plus or minus 0.45. So let us see now. Seventh one, what is the question? 4x is equals to 81 by x. Find the value of x they have told now. So 4x into x, 4x square is equals to 81. X square is equals to 81 by 4. X square is equals to x is equals to root of plus or minus root of 81 by 4. So answer will be x is equals to plus or minus 9 by 4 is 2. 9 by 2 is nothing but we'll divide and check. What we'll get 9 by 2 as? 9, 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remains 0.025 are 10. So answer is x is equals to plus or minus 4.5. So the correct option is B. X is equals to plus or minus 4.5. So now let us see the next question. Here 8th one. The value of x in the equation you can see here properly, px square plus qx plus r is. Which is the correct option they have asked here? A, they have given this. B, you can see here. So C option is this and D option is this. Now we should write properly which is the correct option. Let me write here 8.1. The value of x in the equation px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. We know that in place of A, P is there. In place of B, Q is there. And in place of C, R. So standard form is what? X is equals to minus B. So minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. So this is the correct option. So in this the correct option is minus B minus Q plus or minus Q square minus 4PR upon 2P. So this is the correct option. So now question number 9. Question number 9 is the quadratic equation among the following is. So which is the quadratic equation among the following? We have to check. First one we can see here cube is there. And when there is cube, it cannot be a quadratic equation because quadratic means 2. Highest power should be 2. So here cube is there, it cannot be. Second one you can see here there is no cube, no square. So it is linear. So second one also cannot be quadratic equation. Let us check third one. X plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So the option C I am checking of question number 9. Option C is, what they have asked? Option C, x plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x as it is plus 4 into x, 4x plus 1. 4 into 1, 4 equal to 0. 4x plus x is 5x plus 4 equal to 0. It also cannot be a quadratic equation because here highest power is not 2. It is not quadratic equation. So option C is also not quadratic equation. Let us see option D. D is equals to, option D, what they have given here? They have given y is equals to 2 upon y. So y into y square is equals to 2. This is a quadratic equation because here y square it comes. So option 4 is a quadratic equation among the following. Now let us see here. If an equation has only one root, then the quadratic equation is, or then the equation is, if it has two root, it is quadratic equation. If only one root, then it is linear equation. Okay, they have asked if an equation has only one root, then the equation is, correct answer is linear equation. Okay, so let us see now here from the department booklet 1 marks questions. Okay, it is given here 1 mark question. So let me see what questions they have given in 1 mark. First one, write the following equation in the standard form. Here equation it is given x plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. Write this equation in the standard form. How we will write? We can see here x it is. We have to cross multiply this. X into x plus 1. X into x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1. X into x, x square plus x into 1, x. This 2 we have to bring here, minus 2 is equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now, if one root of the equation x plus 4, x plus 3 is minus 4. You can see here x plus 4 and x plus 3. If one root is minus 4, find the other root. Next root is x plus 3. If we take this side, minus 3. So the next root is minus 3. One root minus 4 they have told. So out of this question, one more root will be minus 3. Now let us see here next question. Find the value of discriminant of the equation. Find the value of discriminant of the equation. X square minus 6x plus 8 is the equation. Value of discriminant a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the question standard form. A place nothing means 1. B is equals to minus 6 and c is equals to 8. So discriminant value is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Find the value of discriminant they have told na. So how we will get? D is equals to b value is minus 6 whole square minus 4. A value is 1 into c value is 8. My negative number square is always positive. 6 6 are 36 minus 8 4s are 32. 36 minus 32 is answer is 4. So discriminant value of discriminant is 4. Now let us see this question. Write the two roots of equation. Write the two roots of equation. I'll write here. Write the two roots of equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Write the two roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So which are the two roots? They have told to write two roots. X is equals to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, one root, and one more root. X is equals to minus b minus of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. One time plus, one time minus you have to write. Then it becomes 2 root. Write the two roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us see. This is the question number 4. So question number 5 we will see here from the other question papers. Okay. If ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 has equal roots, find the value of c. What they have told? If ax square plus bx plus c has equal roots. Okay. Question number 5. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has equal root, find the value of c. We know that if the roots are equal, according to condition d equal to 0. D equal to 0. D value is what? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So c value we need, right? B square is equal to minus, if we bring this side, AC. C value is needed. C is equals to B square upon 4AC. So this is the C value. Find the value of C they have told. They have asked in the question as find the value of C. So we got the value C is equals to B square minus B square upon 4A. Okay. Now let us see the next sixth one question. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Find the discriminant, okay, of quadratic equation. Let me write quadratic equation. What they have given: 4 root 2 x square plus 8x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Find the discriminant, means d value we have to find. We know that this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have to compare this. A value is 4 root 2, b value is 8 and c value is 2 root 2. Find the discriminant they have told. Find the discriminant in the sense we need to find the d value. Discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac. B value is what? B 8 square minus 4. A value is 4 root 2. C value is 2 root 2. Now we have to solve this. 8 square is 16 minus 4 4 za 16, 16 2 za 4 4 za 16, 16 2 za 32 outside the root. 16 2 za 32. Then root 2 into root 2 square. Okay, 16 minus square and root get cancelled. 2 2 za 4, 2 3 za 6. 64 minus 16 we have to do. That is the correct d value. 64 minus 16. Okay. 14 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. And 5 minus 1 is 48. Negative number. Minus 48 is the answer. Got it here? What we have? I have done here. 4 4 is 16. Outside numbers we have to multiply. 4 4 or 4 2 is 8. 8 4 is 32. Then root 2 into root 2 square. Square and root get cancelled. 32 2 is 64. 64 minus 16 is 48. So the value of discriminant is minus 48. Next, question number 7. Let us see what is the question number 7. Here, for the equation 143 is equals to x square minus 1, find the value of x. What is the question? For the equation 143 is equals to x square minus 1, find the value of x. These all questions are 1 mark question. Let us see. 143, let it be here only. Minus 1, if I bring here, plus 1 equals to x square. X square is equals to 144. X square becomes root. X is equals to plus or minus root of 144. So x value will be, x is equals to plus or minus root 144 is 12. So the value of x is plus or minus 12. So the next question, question number 8, which is the last question for 1 mark. Find the nature of root of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. What is the nature of the root? We have to check. Okay. So here question is 8th one question. 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is, we have to compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us find a is equals to 4, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 1. So discuss the nature of root. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. We know that. B is minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into a value is 4. C value. So my negative number square is always Positive 4 square is nothing but 16 minus 4 fours are 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So D equal to 0 we got. So D equal to 0 according to nature of root. D equal to 0 is nothing but D equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. So you have to write. So the roots are real and equal. So here this completes the 1 mark questions of quadratic equation. So in my next video I am going to continue for 2 marks question from department as well as previous year's papers. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.